Hello and welcome to Best Reviews. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best foldable phones you must have in 2025. A lineup that's redefining the future of smartphones with innovation, style, and performance. If you love staying ahead in tech trends, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button to support us as we bring you the best reviews and recommendations. And if you're ready to explore these cutting-edge foldable phones, check out the product links conveniently listed in the description box below. Let's get started. The OnePlus Open is a powerhouse that combines performance and style. Featuring 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, this dual-SIM Android smartphone is unlocked and ready to impress. It boasts a 7.82-inch foldable AMOLED display with a near-invisible crease, 10-bit color depth, Dolby Vision support, and an astonishing 2800 nits of peak brightness. Its triple Hasselblad camera system includes a 48MP primary lens, a 48MP ultra-wide lens, and a 64MP periscope zoom lens, capable of shooting Dolby Vision HDR videos and stunning pro-grade portraits. Bringing back the iconic flip design, the Motorola razr 2023 is compact, stylish, and versatile. Its FlexView stand allows you to capture photos and interact with the phone from multiple angles. Powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor and 8 GB of RAM, it ensures smooth performance for gaming and entertainment. The 64MP external camera with OIS and 32MP internal camera with quad-pixel technology deliver excellent photos and selfies in all lighting conditions. Available in cherry blossom, the vegan leather finish adds a touch of luxury to its already trend-setting design. The Motorola Razr Plus 2024 enhances its flip phone legacy with more power and functionality. With 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, this phone is a multitasking champion. Its Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 processor offers blazing fast performance, while the 50MP camera system with a 2x telephoto lens ensures professional-grade photos and videos. The soft vegan leather finish, combined with a durable build and trendy colors, makes this phone both practical and stylish for daily use. Meet the world's thinnest and lightest AI foldable smartphone that redefines sophistication. The Honor Magic Phi 3 features a 7.92-inch foldable LTPO AMOLED display with 1 billion colors, Dolby Vision, and a 120 Hz refresh rate. The outer display offers a 6.43-inch screen with 5000 nits brightness, ensuring visibility in any lighting condition. Topping our list is the HUAWEI Mate X6, a foldable smartphone that exudes luxury and durability. With an ultra-slim and robust design, the Mate X6 is built with aviation-grade aluminum and carbon fiber, ensuring resistance against drops and pressure. The 12 GB RAM plus 512 GB storage configuration allows for seamless multitasking, including running up to 3 apps simultaneously. Its Ultra Chroma X Mage camera offers breathtaking color accuracy and detail,